Noom Premium Weight Loss and Health App. The pros, the cons. The surprising truth about Noom is that it's not a diet app, it's a psychology-based wellness program built to change the way you think about food. But does it actually work, or is it just another weight loss trend? Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. Noom's biggest strength is its focus on mindset. Instead of telling you what to eat, it teaches you why you eat using cognitive behavioral techniques to help you understand habits and triggers. It's like having a personal health coach and therapist rolled into one. The app provides daily lessons that are short, engaging, and science-backed. You learn about calorie density, emotional eating, and long-term behavior change. Each user is paired with a virtual coach who provides feedback and accountability, something many apps don't offer. Tracking is simple and intuitive. You can log meals, exercise, and weight, and Noom categorizes foods by color: green, yellow, and red to guide healthier choices without strict rules. It promotes flexibility, not perfection. Now for the cons. Noom requires a monthly subscription, and while it's comprehensive, it can be pricey compared to other weight loss apps. Some users find the daily lessons too repetitive over time. And while the psychology-first approach is powerful, those looking for intense workout plans might find it lacking. In conclusion, Noom Premium is ideal for people who want to lose weight through self-awareness and sustainable change. It's not about quick fixes or rigid diets, it's about building a better relationship with food and health. But if you prefer numbers and workouts over journaling and reflection, it might not be your perfect match. Still, for anyone ready to change their habits for good, Noom is one of the most empowering health tools out there.